Sabeeh here, and in this video I am going to tell you guys how to get Pixel 2 like portrait shots out of your Samsung Galaxy S8 or the Samsung Galaxy S7. So in order to do that, you have to install an application. First of all, you have to go to the link in description. Let me lower down the brightness of my display. And after you press on the link in description, it is a Google Drive link. You have to press on download over here. That should start the downloading of the application, but it did not for my own phone. So if that does not happen, then you have to do what I am doing. You have to close the browser or whatever messenger opened. It opened Google Chrome for me. You have to go to Google folder, then you have to go to Google Drive. If your account is logged in, this should happen. Do make sure that your Google Drive account is logged in, both to your browser and to the Google Drive app. And it should be the same account. That way the history of that application will go to your Drive app. From there, you have to download this app. Now this will definitely start downloading. As you can see, the downloading has started on my phone. Now I will come back after the application has downloaded. So the application has downloaded for me, as you can see. So after downloading the application, you have to tap on the Drive notification. That will take you to the application. I will install it right over here. So let's come back after I've installed the application. And as you can see, the application has now been installed. You have to press on open from your menu and then allow camera to take pictures and record video. Then allow camera to record audio, and then allow camera to access photos, media and files on your device. That will allow your camera application to save pictures. So from there you have to go to the menu. From there you have to go to the settings. From settings you have to go to BSG settings. From the BSG settings you have to enable portrait mode on all models. If that is not enabled for you, it is enabled by default for me. So after that you have to go to model, then you have to select Nexus 6. You can also select Nexus 5X, but 6 is preferred. Then from HDR plus you have to select default or medium. I have selected default. So after doing all that, you have to again go to the menu, settings, and from there you have to go to developer settings, and from there you have to untick camera.af.debug.show. It would be ticked by default for you, but you can untick that. It was unticked for me because I've used this application before. Even though I just installed it again, it still was unticked, but that's not the problem. So after you've done all that, that should enable portrait mode on your Samsung Galaxy S8. If we go over here, I have the portrait mode option. I had the portrait mode option before as well, but my settings had been saved to the device. I do not know why. So from the portrait mode option, you can take portrait pictures of yourself. I will take one just now. So I've just taken the photos. Sorry for the sleepy eyes and all that, because I'm recording this pretty late. And this has only saved one photo over here, but usually it saves two photos. Burst mode is written on top and two photos are saved, and one of them is the portrait shot, as you can see, and one of them is your normal photo. So the camera application will not show any portrait thing in the viewfinder. After you've taken the shot, it will start loading, and within just 2 or 1 second. And this app does not work 100% perfectly because this app is still developing, and you cannot enable front-facing portrait mode. Even though you will see an option, it will not work. The app camera app will crash. That is normal. Do not worry about that. But you cannot use portrait mode on front camera. You have to use the back camera. So as the S7 and S8 are made out of glass, you do not have to worry about that. You can see your reflection from the back glass. I know that's not perfect, but it's still great. I've taken a lot of portrait shots out of the back camera of S8 and they look really great. And this application is still developing. So I will try my best to update you guys in the comment section below when the final application is out. This camera app is not harmful at all. This is actually Google's camera app that is there on the Pixel phone and other phones. But XDA developers tweaked the application and made it available for the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Samsung Galaxy S7 and a few other phones. It will not work on the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. I've tested that. So I'm pretty sure it only works for S7, S8 and a few other Samsung phones which are on Nougat. You can try that if you do not have an S8 or an S7. So guys, this is a pretty cool feature. I will put a slideshow of a few of the portrait shots I've taken of myself during the use of application. And a huge shout out to Veldron Tech who told me about this application. I did not know it from the start. I did know that XDA developers made an app for S8, but I did not know that it was for portrait mode and all that. Thanks to Veldron Tech for informing me, and do check him out guys, he has an awesome channel. So thanks for watching the video guys, that's pretty much it. Please follow me on Instagram for some behind the scenes stuff, and do make sure you subscribe for similar videos. Peace and assalamu alaikum.